Hello and welcome back to our channel. In this video, we will be showing you how to copy a thread link on your Android device using the Threads app. A thread link allows you to easily share a conversation with others, whether it's via email, text message, or social media. Copying a thread link on your Android device can be a very useful feature, especially if you want to share a conversation with someone who isn't in the thread. By following the steps outlined in this tutorial, you can easily copy and share a conversation with others. So let's dive straight into the tutorial. First, open the Threads app on your Android smartphone. Once you're in the app, select the thread that you want to copy the link for. Next, tap on the share icon located below the thread. This icon looks like an arrow pointing upwards out of a box. Once you've tapped on the share icon, you will see a list of sharing options. Choose Copy Link from the list. The link will be copied to your device's clipboard. Congratulations! You've successfully copied the thread link on your Android device. The copied link can now be shared with others via email, text message, or social media. This is a great way to share a conversation with someone who may not be in the thread. In conclusion, copying a thread link on your Android device using the Threads app is a simple process that can be completed in just a few steps. By following the steps outlined in this tutorial, you can easily copy and share a conversation with others. Thank you for watching this video. We hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you have any questions or suggestions for future videos, please let us know in the comments section below. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more helpful tips and tutorials.